Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable drag top of the screen snap layout on Windows 11 computer guys. You just need to click on any folder like this, drag to the top of the middle. The snap window will be up here guys like this. If you want to disable it, I'm showing us how to do that. For that, click on the start icon, select the settings, and you just need to scroll down and select multitasking. Click on it, and you just snap windows. You just want to click the down arrow, and in here show snap layout when I drag a windows to the top of my screen. You just want to uncheck it and close out of here. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.